Content writing and blog posts are one of the most best skills you can have in 2024. But if you're still doing it manually and without the help of AI, you are pretty hard stuck. Well, in today's video, I'll tell you how you can make awesome blog posts in very less time and efforts, and that's so with the help of ChatGPT. But before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x has an exclusive AI tool workshop. Do check it out, link is in the description. So alright, in this video, I'm going to tell you about an extension which will help you with writing ChatGPT blog post prompts. And the name of that extension is Keyword Everywhere. It's available for both Chrome and Firefox, so make sure you add this extension as it's going to be very helpful in the future. After downloading the extension, you have to log in your ChatGPT account and then make sure the keyword extension is turned on. After turning it on, you'll see two things. First, on the left side, template options, and on the right side, you'll see continue button. So the first thing you have to do is click on the keyword button and a pop-up will appear. And then the next step is to choose a category, and we'll select the category copywriting. Then we need to choose a subcategory and we'll go with blog writing. Now all these templates shows different steps you have to follow to write an awesome blog post. So we will select the first template, which is also the first step, generate blog post titles. Now you can choose from different languages, you can also choose different voice tones and writing styles. As you can see, there are many, but I'll go with friendly and the conversation one, because we want our blog post to sound friendly, and with the help of conversation, you can grab the attention span of the user. Now at the bottom of the pop-up, you'll see prompt template. The options you chose earlier will be reflected here. You can also play with the template to get better results if you are not satisfied with the end product. Now our next step is to write a topic. So my topic is how to take care of succulents, and click on the execute button. Now as you can see, ChatGPT is writing this all blog titles. Now on the right hand side, you'll see please continue button. And there are many more additional buttons like clarify, expand, extend. But when you click please continue button, it will start writing more titles. So all these titles look very good, but I'll select top tips to take care of succulents. And then paste the title in your Word document. Now our next step is to generate blog post description. Now I'll keep all the settings same, but this time you have to paste your blog title on the title column. And then you can see the title is added in the prompt template. Then click on execution button, and then ChatGPT is generating 10 descriptions for you. Alright, so these are all of the descriptions. I'm gonna copy the first one and paste it in our Word document. Now before I tell you the further steps, I'd like to warn you with something. See, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs being replaced by AI and whatnot. And you don't want to get affected by this recessive wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you. The people using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours of AI tool workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upscale, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description. Now for the next step, select the option generate blog post outline, then paste your title again. Then click on the execute button. Alright, so these are all the outlines for your blog post. We have all the headings and subheadings. Now our last step is to select the option generate complete blog post from the outline. Now you have to paste your blog post outlines, but make sure you paste your blog title above the outlines and press execute, and you will see ChatGPT has started writing the blog posts. Now notice that it does stops in the middle. So you have to click on please continue to resume it. Keep clicking on please continue until you see the conclusion of your blog post, and then paste all the information in your Word document, and there you go, you have a whole blog post written by ChatGPT. I don't know how much time it took, I guess maximum 15 minutes. Now there's another way to do it more efficiently. Like it took 10 minutes, it will I guess took 1 to 3 minutes, but it may not be that informative as this one. Now below the option generate complete blog post from outlines, you'll see generate complete blog post from topics, and this is our key. In this, you just have to paste your topic and it's gonna generate you the blog post from that topic. Isn't it awesome? But again, it may not be that informative as the previous one, so I'll recommend you to use the first method, but if you are short on time, you can use this one. So alright, in this video, I have covered the most important and the most efficient options or the steps of that extension, with the help of which you can write blog posts very easily, right? But again, there are 2 more steps left, and if you want to be 1 step ahead of everyone, you should definitely check those out because it's going to be beneficial for you. Alright, so tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this extension? Do you think it was helpful for you? If it wasn't, tell me what you were expecting from this extension, like what more things should be added. And also like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video among your friends, and hit that notification bell. Also, do check out our AI tool workshop. It is super cheap and it's of just ₹9 and it's super informative too. So do check it out. Link is in the description. We'll see you there. Thank you.